Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today the topic which we are going to start is factorization. My dear students, in primary school we learned that 21 is equals to 3 multiplied by 7. Right? 3 multiplied by 7 is 21. So 3 and 7 are called the factors of 21. Similarly, if we take this example, right? So 3 will multiply with x, 3x plus 3y, right? So we are able to say 3 and x plus y are called the factors of 3x and 3y. Okay, 3x multiplied by 3x, 3 multiplied by y, 3y. So 3 and xy, this 3 and this xy are called the factors of 3x and 3y. So the factors, can you name the factors? If we have 4x plus 2, so how you name the factors? We name the factors, we take the common from here. Common means the same term which we find in first term, second term, or how many terms we are given with. So here we are given, we have common terms 2, right? We do not have any x as in common terms or variable. When 2 multiply with x, 2x, 2 2s are 4 and x, 4x. We got this term by multiplying, and with which number I should multiply 2 to get 2, right? 2 will multiply with 1. So we can say that 2 and 2x plus 1 are the factors of 4x plus 2. Okay? So my dear students, the process of writing an algebraic expressions, as a product of 2 or more other algebraic expressions which are called the factors of first algebraic expression is, we know that it is factorization. We have made the factors now. So if we have been given with 4 terms or with the 3 terms, how we can make the factors, right? So let's begin with the example to explain you factorization. Clear? Students, first of all you should know 2 to 3 things, main things. If I say I have x power 4 and x cube, right? So what is common over here? How you will check? So students, you will check, is this 3x cube is lying in it, right? Yes, x cube, x4, power x4 do have x cube. So we can say that x4 has x cube as well, and x cube is itself x cube. So it means both terms have x cube in it, right? So when x cube multiply with x4, if we want to take, how can we check? We already have 3x x cube out of 4 here. How many x do we need more to make the power 4? Recall your laws of exponents. When bases are same, their power will add. 3 plus 1, 4. Okay? So when x multiply with x, we will get x4, right? It means when x cube will multiply with which number, that we can get x cube. we will multiply with 1. X cube will multiply with 1. We will have x cube. So this is the way we can break the powers to make its factors. Clear? So I'm going to start with example. For example, I have ax minus 5a plus 4x minus 20. How we can break that? So my dear students, first we need to check that are these arranged? Are these power arranged? Clear? So here we will have ax, I will pick this term plus 4x because its last term has same variable minus 5a minus 20. Okay, I have arranged. Now with the pencil you can make group. Okay, now in these two terms you need to check which variable is common. Which variable is common? First go for the variable. X is common. Okay, so here check that if the number, any number is common means it is dividing this. We have 1 and we have 4. So is there any number which is dividing 1 and as well as 4? So definitely 1 is the number which can divide 1 and 4. So you already know with the coefficient we do not write 1. Bracket opens. Okay. Now x will multiply with which variable, that I can get ax, right? My dear students, trick is that we already have a x over here. What is missing? We are missed with a. So I will write a. X a multiply, when x multiply with a, we have ax. It does not matter that it is xa. In alphabetical order, you can write ax. So here this is same. Now we have plus sign. Plus sign will multiply with which sign, that I can get plus. Plus. Now x will multiply with which number, that I can get 4x. X is already here. We are not finding 4. So when we multiply x with 4, I will get 4x. Okay. Xa multiply with a is ax, plus plus plus. When x multiply with 4, we have 4x. Okay. What is common over here now? Minus sign is common. So I will write minus sign. Okay. So check, my dear students, that a is common in both of the term. You will say no, it is not common in both of the term. What is common? What is the number which can divide 5 and 20? So we have 5. I will write 5 over here. Bracket opens. Now 5 multiply with which number or which variable, that I can get 5a. Definitely I have 5 here already. I don't have a. So definitely I will write 5a. Now minus sign will multiply with which sign, that I can get minus here again. It will multiply with plus. Minus plus minus. My dear students, the above expression should be same with the sign, with the variable. Okay. Now with which number I should multiply 5, that I can get 20? I will multiply with 4. 5 4s are 20. See, when x multiply with a, I can get ax. When x multiply with 4, I will get 4x. Now minus plus minus, when 5 multiply with a, 5a. Minus plus minus, when 5 multiply with 4, 5 4s are 20. Minus plus minus. See, all the things are same. So what will be our final answer? What are the factors of these terms? x minus 5, this x and this minus 5, and a plus 4. So see, I have found the factors. So this will be our answer. In this way we can find factors of the expression. Let's begin with the example if we have been given with the expression with the powers, right? So if this is the example, 3x squared plus 6x plus 4x plus 8. Okay, all has x variables, right? So 3x squared plus 6x plus 4x. Now in these two, which variable is common? See, x power 1 and it has also x power 1. So I will say x is common. We do not write 1 over here, we already know. Now find the number which can divide 3 and which can divide 6. So we have 3 is the number which can divide 3 and which can divide 6. Bracket opens. Now students, we have 3 here, yes. We have x here. We do not have x squared. We will make x squared. We will find variable that makes x squared. We already have 1x only. It has a power 1, right? तो 2 में से 1x तो है हमारे पास. But with how many x? I will multiply this x that I can get 2 x square. 3x will multiply with 3x, 1 power, 1 plus 1, 2. Laws of exponent says when bases are same and they are multiplying, its power will become square, right? Now, with which number I will multiply that 3 that I can get 6x. Now, 3 will multiply with 2, right? We already have x over here, but we do not have 2, right? 3 2s are 6 and x will be there. Now I have find the factors of these two expressions. Now come here. I will in the end I will tell you the trick as well. Now you have to find which variable is common. No variable is common here, but we have to find the number which can divide 4 and which can divide 8. We have a number which can divide 4 and 8 is 4. 2 is also the number which can divide 4 and 8, but we need to pick the biggest one, otherwise it will refactor again and again. 4 will multiply with which number, that a variable that I can get x, 4x, right? So plus plus, I want plus. 4 will multiply with 2, I can get 8. So my factors will be 3x plus 4 and x plus 2. These will be the answers. Okay, so this is the example. So let me introduce you with the trick. That what is trick? Students, if you have solved the expression till here, you can pick that factors or bracket over here, leave some space, right? अगर आपने यहाँ पे x plus 2 already रख लिया है, so it will be more easy that x has been multiplied with which number that you can get 4. So you will say that 4. So definitely if you will put 4 over here, you will not need to find the factors or the division factors for 8, right? So this was the topic which we need to understand. If you have any query, just ask your teachers. Thank you so much.